My name is Peggy Lawrence, and I'm the Executive Director of School Nutrition with Rockdale County Public Schools. Obviously, my passion and my work is all focused around kids and hunger. So our role is really to support kids and their learning, because hungry children cannot learn. And so about 7 years ago, we began our mobile feeding in the summer. It really kind of set us up to be perfectly positioned when COVID-19 was kind of coming down starting to become apparent that we were dealing with something very different than we've ever dealt with historically, and that we were going to need to respond to this as a school district, and particularly, as a school meal program. How's this going to work, and what are we going to be able to do? So when we did get guidance that said, okay, you're going to be able to go out and feed children, we were already preparing ahead of time. And I knew that we needed to go to where our kids are and kind of, meet them where they're at. Huge hats off to our staff in this school system. Our bus drivers and our school nutrition staff. Very hard work, long days. Kind of the rules of the game change every day. Something comes down the pike, and you've got to reinvent yourself by the next morning and carry out something new. And so it has been extremely challenging, to say the least. It's just been a really interesting time. It just never occurred to me to do anything differently. The kids need us, and I guess I've always believed that if you're in a position to help somebody, you should do it. It is, my faith is a big factor in that, and I feel like God puts us in spots in life for reasons, and I feel like, we should make the best of those, circumstances. And so if I'm in a spot to positively impact kids in this community, then it's just the right thing to do.
I've heard over and over again from folks from downtown Atlanta with the government, Peggy is the first one that has thought about this or thought about that, or is trying this or trying that in an effort to take care of our kids. And to me, her passion for what she does just can't be measured.
I had the experience of working with her, volunteering on the bus last summer for the Summer Kids program, and she was just amazing. Then this year, when the pandemic hit, she jumped into a different mode. When you say children, she smiled, but when you say food and children, she smiled even bigger.
Peggy Lawrence has been a beautiful part of Phoenix Pass. She's really served here in ways that most people wouldn't serve, and she's done it in probably most capacities. She just takes good care of our women. I listen to her talk about her employees, and it's the same exact enthusiasm.
We get a lot of messages as women, take time for yourself, simplify, slow down, but then we also get the do this, do this, do this, do this. Your house should look like this, you should look like this, you should be running 3 miles every day and have a dinner on the table, and your house should be perfect, and you should be super successful at work, right? What do you do with all of that? And so I think, over time you have to figure out who you are, and what matters. I have to be lit from within before I can share that with anybody else. I got to believe in what I'm doing. I've got to know who I am and have a good, strong sense of myself. Some of it really is maturity and kind of figuring things out as we go and as we age and we experience life, and realize how fragile it is and how precious it is. I am a single mom, and I don't really have any family support here in Georgia, so it's just kind of, we have other, good people that are very supportive, but it is, so first and foremost, what's going to work for my family, and can I do right by my children and still honor this commitment that I've been asked to make. That's been a big thing for me in the 22 years that I've been here, is just how can I encourage, I always call them my ladies, but how can I encourage my ladies to continue to grow and improve? I think, first of all, a lot of times women just have not always had that encouragement. Really, it's just, I don't know, I guess just I want them to know that they matter, like really, really matter to me, and they need to matter to themselves, and And for a lot of our women, you know, nobody's really ever made them feel that they mattered. And so, you know, being able to do that it's really significant, and what a blessing, you know, for me to be able to do that. Again, if you're in a spot to help somebody, you should.